Hola, hola, hola. It's Maria LeBron, your Central Florida realtor. And today I am doing an unboxing of my listing power tools box. Stay tuned. I have not opened it yet, so here we go. What is in here? Oh my God! This is my rider, so you can actually dial that number and text that code. This is so cool. It's too shiny though. And you'll get information about my listing. What's in here? Ah, look at this. These are the business cards for the listing, not for me. Look, just listed, and it has the address. Ah, oh my gosh, my nails are too long. My info. All right. What else do we have? What else do we have? Oh my goodness, for real, like my nails are too long. What is this? Oh, these are like the little table tents. How cool is that? It's the front of the store and the deli. If you guys are in the food industry, come talk to me. I have a little deli for rent in St. Cloud. Okay. We got thank you cards. Yeah. Okay, what else do we have? Like flyers. Oh, these are actually postcards. The big ones. Oh yeah. Get my picture. Haha. Let's see what else is in here. I don't even think there's gonna be that much stuff. Oh, these are big ones. Oh yeah. Presented by moi. Yeah. So cool. And here are the big ones. These are the flyers, I believe. Oh my gosh. And these. Yep, these are the handouts. Can you guys see? Door hangers when I go door knocking in the neighborhood. Again, this is how you get more information on my listing. And this, oh, these are the envelopes for the thank you cards. How cool is that? Does your brokerage do that for you? If you want more information, call me. 718-219-8810. Bye.